Hello, I'm in a 2012 Dodge Avenger, and today I'm going to show you how to change your display here for your dash from English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure your vehicle's turned on, which this currently is, and then we're going to use this menu button and then these arrows to toggle between your options. So as I tap this menu button, we're going to watch this interface here. So I'm tapping menu, and we'll just keep going until we see personal settings. So there, I'm in personal settings. I'm going to push this down arrow as it says. So down, and then we're going to push this right arrow to switch between the Spanish or French. So let's say we want Spanish. I'm just going to push menu again, and that's it. So it should have updated to Spanish. Obviously I'm in the United States and speak English, so I'm going to switch it back to English. So same process. So I'll just put menu until I get to personal settings. Adjust this personales, so that one I'll push down. Idioma over till I get to English, and then my menu again, and that's it. Should all be in English again. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.